show me all adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot.
This is the RV. This is the official JD Joyride TV mobile home. We got an RV for the channel. This is Alice. So we have now had Alice, I want to say about a year and a little over a year. Right, buddy?
Right.
Is he taking a nap? We're going to give them a tour of the RV. Give them...
Talk about everything you've learned after having an RV for a year.
When we first got this motorhome, everybody was telling... You remember what everybody was saying? You're never going to use it. You're never going to use it.
It's like a yard ornament.
Would you say we kind of proved them a little wrong? Just a little bit. So within a little over having it a year, where all have we had it?
Walmart, eat like a bunch of times. To Florida, Ocean City, Maryland, Myrtle Beach.
Pretty much all the car shows. We take it to American Muscle. We've taken it to Boston, Bruno's house in Connecticut, VIR. We've had it all over the place within that short amount of time. But we use it a lot. A lot.
Power goes out.
Yes, we've actually used it when our power went out on the house. We all just came out to the RV and just spent the night in the RV before.
And we went to eat sometimes in it.
One of the first things that we learned the very first time we drove this was your drinks just spill. So if you had a drink sitting on the table or whatever, it would just fall over on the floor, and that happened a lot, didn't it?
Even with the cup holders, it happened a lot.
Those front cup holders, you could not use those.
We learned that.
I ended up cutting 2 holes into the table over there and then installed 2 cup holders. So what do you think of the motorhome, babe?
I think it needs redone, like redecorated.
Really? I think it's perfect. I love the floral.
And the gold.
Oh yeah. Then we've got our Starbucks machine.
They have like cool futon couches. We could replace that.
She wants to replace the couch. I think the couch is fine. So as far as issues with this motorhome, I don't know if I told you guys this is, it's a 1999 Tiffin Allegro, and it's got a 7.2 Caterpillar diesel engine, and it's got an Onan generator, 36 foot long. But as far as issues with this, we've been pretty lucky, I want to say. The only major issue we had was with the generator. There was a temperature sensor that kept causing the generator to shut off every 5 minutes, and it threw a code. I looked up the code, it told me what part I needed, replaced it, and it was a pain in the butt. We had to pull the whole generator out of the RV pretty much to replace that. And as far as maintenance is concerned, oil change in this thing is no joke. You remember all the oil?
How much was that?
22 quarts of oil. That's insane. 22 quarts of oil in this thing. Changed and replaced all 4 batteries because the 2 starter batteries went bad.
I feel like you did something in the bathroom. Did you do something?
Yeah, oh yeah, the toilet.
Yeah.
The little foam ring.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour. I'm gonna show you guys the outside of it real quick. Here's the outside. We do want to change the vinyl on this thing, so we're gonna give you guys a complete tour of the inside too, and I'll walk you guys around. It is dirty, all the bugs and everything. It's got 1 slide. You've got your LP sewer hose compartment, your city water, and then that's where all your electric is. And that's where the birds like to build their nest. The engine is in the rear because all diesels, they put the engines in the rear. Gas motorhomes, the engines will be in the front. That's how you can tell the difference between them. That's where the battery compartment is. And then all of these are all storage compartments.
Right here.
I see you. As you open this door, the steps pop out. Just excuse the mess because we have not cleaned this thing. This chair right here swivels around, just spins. Driver's seat right here with the Allison transmission, and that's how she got her name, Alice. She got air horns. Oh yeah. And then Laura's over here cleaning up because she's getting ready because we're about to head out to American Muscle this weekend. Aren't we, hun?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Couch over here. We've got the car seats for the kids. Got a couch over here. And we've got this couch over here with car seats, dinette, and then right here is our fancy kitchen with our Ford towel, stove. Yeah, bud?
This towel.
You like it? Me too, bud. Tom loves it too. It's our fancy microwave, freezer. Nothing's in there yet. And then
Refrigerator.
Fridge. And then this is something that most RVs don't have. This one right here has a washer dryer combination. It does both.
This is pretty important. This thing.
What? Yeah, right here. This basically is your little monitor. Tells you everything. It tells you how much black water, gray water, fresh water, your LP, and then your battery. Some drawers, storage compartments, closet. That's where we put all of our clothes, in that closet. Room, there's your toilet. That's your electric water heater, and then that's your water heater that you want to turn on if you want to use the LP. Or no, that's your water pump. I'm sorry. That's for your LP. Right now, you know, because we're not hooked up to anything, so this is the onboard water supply. And that pressure isn't bad, and that's from the water pump. I'm gonna turn the pump off. Pump is off. You'll see the water pressure just drop. You got your medicine cabinets and all that. And the bathroom is actually a pretty good size, because most campers that we've gone into, the bathrooms were small, weren't they? Mm-hmm. And this one is actually a pretty good size.
Yeah, the shower is not too bad of a size.
I just want to replace the shower nozzle.
I
That's
thought you were
all.
going to say replace the shower with like a jacuzzi or something.
With a jacuzzi. The master bedroom. Liam is out. We broke the curtains somehow. Got our fancy color TV. But he is out.
We should like fix the TV or something. We
She's cleaning
when we get there.
Yeah, we should. I got a brand new TV up here in this compartment. I bought a brand new TV. I haven't installed it yet.
Yeah,
Big flat screen. So this is our motorhome, guys. It's not bad, is it, hun?
The only thing I would do is just redecorate it.
I think it's perfect.
I think,
Oh, and then closet, that's where we put all of our toilet paper and soaps and stuff like that. Towels.
but everything's like still pretty new. Like
Yeah, everything in here is actually in really good condition.
Like lighter colors.
She wants to paint everything like
Brighten it up
white.
some.
And
Not white, but like maybe like a light gray or something.
yeah, but no, everything in this thing is actually in really good condition, because the people that had it before us took really good care of it. And the motorhome only has around 65,000 miles on it. And for a diesel, that's nothing.
Dad, I'm just sitting on the couch.
You're sitting on the couch, bud?
Yeah.
Not sure what else I really could cover in this video, but Laura was just mentioning that I could talk about tolls. When you have a motorhome or something this big, tolls are actually the same price as a regular car, believe it or not. Most places, they charge you per axle. And there's only 2 axles on this thing, so did you know that? Some places charge extra. And then you can't go into like tunnels some places because of the propane. And as far as the fuel mileage on this, I've gotten 11 miles per gallon trailering my car. My opinion, that is actually not bad at all. What do you think? Upgrade and get a brand new motorhome?
No.
No?
Didn't you say you would actually prefer what's on this one anyway? Because
The newer ones? Yeah. I feel like if you get a newer motorhome, there's so much electronics and there's so many things that could go wrong. Probably the best thing to do is pick up a 10-year-old motorhome. You get a really good deal.
tell them what happened, why you were like, we got to get an RV. Remember in Pennsylvania, the hotel issue? That was like...
We were in
like,
Pennsylvania.
we need one.
That was the time we did the, we went to LRA and met up with Rob in PA. Laura and I were out with the kid, with Logan, until, what was it, 1, 2 o'clock in the
Almost
morning?
2 in the morning.
Because we couldn't find a hotel.
Well, we had a hotel.
We had booked a hotel before we left, but when we got there, what was in the bed?
There was wrappers to cheese. Okay, so first I saw pepperoni on the floor and I was like, that's weird. So I always take the comforters off the bed at a hotel. Pretty sure they don't wash the comforters usually. And I took them off and there was like cheese wrappers and hair. So that kind of was like, oh, we probably shouldn't stay here. And then I went in the bathroom and there was hair on the sink. So then, which we should have done this before, I started looking up reviews and they were awful and talking about nasty stuff. We were like, we're not sleeping here. And at this point it was like 10, 11 o'clock at night. So I don't know what was going on that weekend, but all the hotels were booked. I was calling hotels and someone told me from Florida to New York, every hotel was booked. Somehow we ended up getting lucky after driving around for like 3 hours. Someone had canceled, so we got a hotel, but not till like 2 in the morning.
That's what I told her. I was like, we need an RV. And then we were immediately searching for an RV, because after that Salem trip is when I really wanted one, because we rented one for that. If you guys didn't see that video, definitely check it out. We rented an RV from Cruise America and took it to Salem. And if you've never been to Salem, around Halloween, October, it's like Mardi Gras of Halloween. It's definitely definitely a fun time, and I highly recommend it, don't you?
Yes.
Rent an RV, go there, camp out in the Walmart parking lot, and then roll into Salem.
But it was like we were just driving, and we could stop whenever we wanted. Like if we were tired, we were like, okay, let's sleep here. Like truck stop, Walmart, whatever. We didn't have to like find a hotel or make sure we made it to the hotel we were staying at. We could just stop whenever.
Yep, that's probably one of the best parts about having a motorhome. Whenever you know you're about ready to go somewhere, the day before, you just kind of turn everything on, get your refrigerator ready so the fridge is cold, walk inside the house, grab everything you need, and then you just stick it in your fridge here in your motorhome. It's there, and then whatever you don't use when you get home, you take it back out and put it right back where you got it.
Except the one time we didn't.
Yeah, whose fault was that?
I don't know.
We're not going to mention Bex's name in the vlog for that, but yeah.
You should have vlogged that fridge.
Oh my gosh. I'll give her the benefit of the doubt.
I think she told you
she told me that she left it in there, and then I forgot. And then
you told her to throw it away. And
I told her to throw it away, yeah.
And to get it out and whatever. I used like 4 of these cleaning the fridge.
Yeah.
A whole bunch of other stuff because it was full of maggots.
Yes.
It was bad.
Yep. I literally took apart the entire fridge. That's where you can put your 2 liters because it sits on top of that tray and it goes up right there, bud.
That's where Dad keeps his 40s.
Yeah, I get my 40s and you bring them up to me while I'm driving, right?
Yeah.
I like the Class A motorhomes because all your passengers, while they're in here riding, bathroom's right there.
Well, it's nice in here too because you can like just be hanging out with everybody.
When we went to Florida, Les hung out here. He sat there at the dinette on his laptop. I remember we were rolling into Georgia and he's like, we're already in Georgia? Like he was like so surprised. Like when we got into Florida, he was like, holy crap, it does not feel like we just drove to Florida. We do like a road trip. It doesn't even feel like it, does it? What's your most favorite thing about the motorhome?
I have a new storage place in it. This is it.
That's your storage place?
Yeah.
What's in there? The dinette actually turns into a bed. This right here turns into a bed. You want to show them how that works, hon? And then just lift it up from there, and then it just comes out. Yep. And then you just fold that back. Now you got a bed right there. This is Alice the RV. Hope you guys enjoyed this upload. I just thought I would share with you guys our motorhome and do a little bit more in-depth tour of it because I've never did that, did I?
I don't know.
I don't remember. I don't think I have. I just made videos with the motorhome. Just thought I would share it with you guys because we use it a lot on the channel. And if you guys have any questions about the motorhome, feel free to just drop them in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them. And if you guys want to see anything else on this or any other types of videos with the motorhome, let us know. We do need to do a video of you driving it. You tried in the parking lot once.
The steering wheel is like, you could do this and it won't even move.
Yeah, it's
super loose. It's like those old cars.
Yeah, it's not bad. If you're not already subscribed, you need to subscribe.
Subscribe.
We're trying to build the channel up so we can go full-time RVing. That's one thing I wanted to talk about. Laura and I are talking about taking the motorhome cross country. Whenever we do that, we're gonna vlog it. Are we gonna take one of the cars too? We go to all these different landmark spots.
You can take pictures of your car.
Exactly. That's why you do all this. When are we doing this?
I don't know.
It's getting windy out. Here's another idea that I had. I thought about just selling the entire house and going full-time in the RV. We might do that too. What do you think? Homeschool the kid?
I don't know.
I'm working on that. That would be so awesome. Like we could do that and then I could YouTube and make videos of like I could make a video every day of what we're doing that day on the road in the motorhome.
Yeah.
Right? See? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think.
We might have to take all my toys out of it before we get rid of it.
What are we getting rid of?
I heard you say about getting rid of the house. Yeah, we might have to take my Jeep and all the parts to it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Say peace. Peace. Do the fingers. Close it out.